Hello and welcome back. We are going to start building the email verification system. So let's start. Let's go to the XAMPP and then we go to the htdoc folder. We create a new folder here called email verification. I have already done that. Okay. So let me open the folder with my Sublime Text editor. I want to create a new file here. Control S. Call it signup.php. Press enter. Then I want to add some navbars, also Bootstrap, and then font awesome before we move on. So to do that, or to add the font awesome and then Bootstrap offline, it's a simple procedures. So you go to the font awesome site. Okay, you can search font awesome download. Okay, then it will bring you to this site. You click download for free for web. You click this one and it will download. After that, you go to Bootstrap. Okay, download. Okay, then you also get the download. You download the Bootstrap. So when you download them, you have them like this. So you extract them. I've already extracted them. I've extracted the font awesome and I've also extracted the Bootstrap. So let's open it. Then you need the JavaScript and then the JS, okay, for the Bootstrap. And you don't need all of them. You only need the bootstrap.main.css. You need this one. So you can copy this one and then you go to where the folder is. Then you create a new folder called CSS and then you paste it here. You also come here again, create a new folder called JS. Okay, then you come here to the JS side and then you need js.bundle, this one, .main. So copy this one. So you copy this one to come to the project, the JS folder, and then you paste it here. Okay, so after that you are done with the Bootstrap. We will link them later. So let's go back to the font awesome. The font awesome, you also need the CSS, okay, and all.main.css. Copy that one too. Then you go to the project again and then you create a folder called font. Okay, you can call it any name you want. Then you paste it here and then you go back again and then you copy the web font. This one, copy the whole folder, go to your projects and paste it at the main directly like this. Okay, so these are the things you need for the setup. Okay, so let's go back to the codes and HTML. Let's say email verification. So let's add our navbar. So Control S, navbar.php. So you go to the site again, Bootstrap navbar, search for Bootstrap navbar. Okay, search for Bootstrap navbar. Then you use this one. The first link is okay. You need this one, so you can copy it from here. Then you come to the navbar.php, copy and paste here. Okay, so let's include this navbar. So we say PHP syntax. We need PHP syntax to do that. Okay, then include navbar. The include is not spelled well. Okay, include navbar .php. So we have included this navbar. Okay, and now let's include the Bootstrap file. So we say link, then css slash, then the css, there's a bootstrap.min.css. so bootstrap.min.css. okay, then let's also include the JavaScript bundle. Okay, so we say script, and then the source src is going to be js. Okay, in the js folder, then you say bootstrap.bundle. so bootstrap.bundle.min.js. so let's see if the bundle is spelled well. Bundle. Okay, so if everything is working perfectly, the Bootstrap, if it is working, we will see the navbar properly. So let's check and see if everything is working. So we go to localhost / email verification, okay, /signup.php. let's press enter, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly. The navbar is included, the Bootstrap are also working, okay, and this thing are also working, meaning the JavaScript side too is working. Okay, now I want to create this, I want to make this to be a black navbar. So it is simple. Let's go to the navbar page, then the first one, we come here, then we see data ps/theme. okay, and this one is going to be tag. Let's see whether it will work. Refresh, and now perfectly it is working. Okay, so we have included the Bootstrap and then the navbar. The Bootstrap is offline mode. Okay, so now if you are not online, you can still use this Bootstrap. Okay, now let's add the font awesome, then we end the video. So to add the font awesome, that one too is simple. We have already added the font and then the all.min.css, and then we have also added the web font. So we will go to the sign up page, and after the navbar, let's bring some h1, okay, and say sign up here. Okay, and let's see if the font awesome are working. So below this, let's say I, okay, and then we give it a class of FAS-FA-I. okay, these are the Bootstrap classes, predefined ones, so you can learn more on them. We have home, we have envelope, we have login, and all that. There are plenty. Okay, let's check if the I will be seen here. So when we refresh, you see it is not working because we have not included it on top. So let's include it. So the link to, we will go to the href, and then we see that font, okay, font slash, then let's see the name there, all.min.css, all.min.css. okay, let's see if it will work. And as you can see, the I is shown. We will use this I to show and hide the password in the future videos. Okay, so let's end here. In the next video, we are going to start building the sign up form from here, build the login form, build the password reset form, and then we sign up and then log in and then continue the video. Thanks for watching.